Good morning, everyone. We are here connecting for 28th April pre-market report. Let's see what's waiting for us in the market today. So yesterday we had a result of Wipro, Hindustan Unilever, and Axis Bank. All these three were the major Nifty 50 stocks. What is happening? So Wipro is -7% degrowth on year over year. Last year they have done 12,243, and this year they have shown or they have recorded 11,367. That is -7% degrowth. And QOQ, they have grown. Marginally, they have grown from 3,065 to 3,094, whereas year over year is still on a degrowth. That's one how exactly investors will take a look. Let's have a look on that after market opens. So Hindustan Unilever, it has shown a growth from both QOQ and as well as YOY, both it has shown growth. Last year it was 2022 was 8892 and 2023 is 10,143. So they have shown very good growth on both QOQ and YOY. So market should make a higher high. Let's see how exactly investors behaves on this, or if there is any other loss. Let's see. And also they have announced a dividend as well. So Axis Bank, we are on a overall we are seeing as a negative -23%, and QOQ also we are seeing negative. Is it really a negative? Is company is not performing? Actually, here is the critical look around. 14,207 and 10,919. Actually, Axis Bank has not degrown. Axis Bank has degrowth recorded from the other income. Other income means whatever other asset selling or whatever, from that other income is showing negative, but on the operating profits, everything it's still a positive. So how exactly investor will look, we'll have to see. Because if it is a main financing margin is negative, then that counted as a, okay, this is really a negative, but from other income negative, so it might not impact immediately. Let's see what exactly happens. So don't take any on the downside situations, like sell situations, until and unless you find a clarity on this. Get your own analysis before taking any positions. Coming back to Wipro, QOQ pad seen growth, that's good. YOY pad seen down, that growth has down, and share buyback as announced at 445. This might work just to recover this YOY growth, degrowth from the investors to protect their investment. They might have announced 445 rupees buyback share. Let's see what exactly market will behave or investors will behave with respect to this kind of decisions. And YOY, the HUL, YOY and QOQ growth PAT recorded as 12% and 22 per share dividend announced. So these are all the pros and cons for Wipro, HUL, and Axis Bank. As I mentioned, other income. Please have your own analysis for this other income, whether other income will it really impact further Axis Bank stocks or not. Take your decisions and wait for a market to react. Don't take a position and then wait. This week result, what exactly we are expecting? Additionally, we are expecting SBI card and Ultratech as a major stocks, and others. There are many other stocks, but we are tracking only the major stocks, which is like accountable stocks for every tracks. So what we are expecting from SBI? SBI we are expecting 2023 today. That is till date they have done 1,662. We are expecting as per their forecast 2243. They are yet to achieve 581 crore. Looking at their flow now, at least they should be able to meet 581 crore. Let's see whether they'll be able to meet. If they are not able to meet, then stock might make a lower loss, or otherwise it will go higher rise. So Ultratech, definitely we are counting on Ultratech, because since past 3 quarters they are in the range of 1,500 range, and we are expecting 2,600, which is almost a double the PAT. How exactly that results will be posted, we are waiting, because it's a Jan, March. It's a what is that? It's a actually summer season. Their business will be very peak. If you see the history of Ultratech, of every March they have posted very good results. So we are also hoping some of the 2020 or 2019 March they have posted 3,000 crore also. So we are highly having positive on this. Let's see what exactly awaiting for us in Ultratech. So we have to see 2,613, that is YOY and QOQ both growth we have to see. If there is anything violating from this, definitely we might expect a degrowth from Ultratech in terms of share price drops. So let's see how exactly market behaves or result impacts on that. So 28 macroeconomic events, that is today's macroeconomic events, is government budget value and forex and infrastructure YOY output. So government budget value is revenue minus expenses, and budget surplus is nothing but revenues are higher than expenses. So that means revenues are more, expenses less. Budget deficit means expenses are more, revenues are less. So budget balance is revenue equals to expense. So that means whether is it on a surplus mode, or is it in a deficit mode, or is it in a balance mode, we will see after the results. So previous was minus 14539B and minus 3109B. So the forecast what we are seeing, let's see whether the deficit has increased or not. So far budget deficit 14.54 trillion, that is April 22 to February 2023, from 13.17 trillion year. In short, government projected a fiscal deficit of 6.4% of the GDP. Let's see how exactly this impacts the market of Nifty and Bank Nifty. If it is a good, then Bank Nifty will be reacting very good. Let's see. So US market, US economy slows to 1.1% Q1 as business drawdown inventories. So US economy says slows as of now, but still US market is up. So there is some correlation in the information. Please have your own analysis on this. So SGX Nifty is up by 85 points. Dow Jones is 524 points up. Nasdaq 287 points up. S&P 500 is 80 points almost up. Nikkei Japan market is also up. Crude oil is only down. Gold is also a little bit down. USD INR is little flat, you can consider. See, the thing is, one side they are saying US economy slows by 1.1%, and other side US economy, the US stocks are going up. What is it? Is it confusing? Yes, it is going to confuse. The reason behind it, sometimes if it really wants to fall, as per the technicals, market will take a little higher and then fall. So that might be the situation. Point number one. Point number two, it is also changing the trend from the downtrend to uptrend, or uptrend to downtrend. So be careful. This may be a price action for to go down. Before going down, it might go little up and then come down. So take a wise decision, have a detailed technical analysis before taking up any positions. So as per Nifty, it is 17,915 and key resistance and support at 18,089 and 17,741. Bank Nifty at 40,001 and for the key resistance what we are seeing at 40,547, key support at 42,455. So let's see what exactly happening at Nifty chart. So as we are seeing Nifty chart, we are seeing Nifty is about to touch this up and then bouncing back for a price action, or it might make a double bottom and then bounce back. So very nearly it might touch this top and then come back. That's what we can see as per the technicals. Otherwise it might break also, but most of the major banking and major Nifty 50 stocks results are over now. So the result impact might get over in another 2-3 days. After that, market might work on a correction. Be prepared for correction also. If it breaks also, be prepared for both. Keep always position hedged when the kind of results are happening. And during this month, please be careful. So top stocks to watch for the day. HUL has recorded both YOY and QOQ PATs growth. That's good. So you can eye on this stock. And Wipro QOQ PATs in growth. YOY PAT degrowth by -1% and share buyback also announced. So please have a watch on this. How exactly market behaves with respect to this kind of scenarios. So Tech Mahindra has recorded a degrowth from both YOY and QOQ. So it might see the bottom of almost around 960 or 960 levels. So let's see how exactly market behaves, because this is a degrowth of 2021 price levels. So that might 2021 was the share price was almost around 960 or 970. So it might reach that level, or else if it investor takes it in a positive way, it might go up also. So have your own decisions before taking any call. Axis Bank has recorded a degrowth from both YOY and QOQ. But one thing you should remember, it is not from directly their financing margin or financing profit. It is from the other income they have shown the degrowth. So whether investors will be considering this as a nullified, because investors are normally not interested in other income generation. So other income they are showing negative, but their revenue, actual sales, they are showing positive. That might be a good scenario for investors to take it to the next level. Let's see how exactly investors will behave on this, or investors will take a decisions on this. So SBI cards also, we may be seeing volatility because the results are expected today. Last 3 quarters were not so outstanding. That's why stock was falling and this quarter how exactly they'll post the result. Based upon that, market will be behaving. So Ultratech results are expected today. So Ultratech is highly expected. We are expecting almost around 2,600 crores. Since past three quarters, they have not achieved more than 1,500 crore. So because Jan, Feb month, March is a summer season, the construction infrastructure projects will be going very in a peak. So we'll see how exactly the Ultratech results. So we are waiting for the previews. Then if Ultratech is really good, then the stock might boom up to the next level of higher highs. Otherwise, it might make a double top and then fall also. So look at that scenario also. If the results are not good, Ultratech might make a double top and then fall. Have a detailed watch on the technical analysis before making any positions. Thank you. And don't forget to click on like, share, and subscribe button for more such regular updates. And also please keep posting us for any information or any support needed from us. We can start guiding you on that. Thank you so much.